Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Safety Motor Lock. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the switch, then the switch to the other terminal of the other switch. Then to the another switch and then this switch to the positive of the motor and then negative of the motor to the ground. Now, when I will switch all the three switches on, then the fan will start to work. Let's see. Now, if I try to turn any other switch off, it will stop working. For example, this one. Let's try for some else switch. For example, this one. So, the fan will only work when all the three switches are turned on. And this is how it works.